In today's video, we will continue to share on business management concepts. Join us in this learning journey.
Welcome to the fascinating world of the stock market, where fortunes are made and dreams are pursued. It's a place where the essence of businesses is shared with the public through stocks, representing pieces of ownership. This introduction aims to demystify the complex system of the stock market for beginners, offering a clear understanding and the initial confidence to start investing. Discover how the stock market functions not just as a buying and selling platform, but as a critical ecosystem for economic development and wealth creation. As we embark deeper into the stock market's intricacies, we understand it as more than a mere marketplace. It's a dynamic environment where investment opportunities abound, facilitated by exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ. These platforms guarantee orderly and regulated trading, reflecting the market's collective judgment on a company's future potential. Beyond the mechanics, investing democratizes wealth creation, offering avenues for participation through stocks, mutual funds, and ETFs, with entry barriers lower than ever. Now let's explore how to navigate this world, debunking common myths and unraveling the mechanisms driving market dynamics. Your journey to financial empowerment begins with understanding and actionable advice. This segment focuses on equipping you with the knowledge to make informed decisions, thereby laying a foundation for successful investing. As we progress, we'll delve into analyzing different stock types and developing strategies to manage risk and maximize rewards. Welcome back to our journey through the world of investing. With a solid understanding of stock market basics, we now approach a critical chapter: the importance of investing. This segment highlights how investing combats inflation and builds wealth over time. Understanding the value of money and how investment preserves its power is crucial. We're entering an exploration of building wealth through strategic investments, embarking on a marathon towards financial independence. Entering the practical phase, first steps in investing focuses on actionable steps: opening a brokerage account and understanding risk tolerance. A brokerage account serves as your gateway to the stock market, while knowing your risk tolerance guides your investment choices. This segment aims to demystify the initial steps, encouraging informed decisions that align with financial goals. As we move forward, these foundational steps pave the way to a diversified portfolio and a robust strategy. Diving into types of stocks and market instruments, we unfold the basics of common and preferred stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs. Each instrument plays a vital role in diversifying and strengthening your portfolio. Understanding the nuances of these options allows for informed strategic decisions, tailored to personal financial goals and risk tolerance. Our journey thus far equips us with the knowledge to craft a portfolio uniquely suited to our aspirations, setting the stage for advanced investment strategies. Transitioning to analyzing stocks basics, we bridge theoretical concepts with practical skills. This segment introduces fundamental and technical analysis as tools for informed decision-making. Learning to read stock charts and understand market trends is paramount. Our focus is on developing the ability to critically assess investments, employing analysis to guide buying and selling decisions. This builds a solid foundation for mastering investment strategies and achieving financial growth. Risk management is our next crucial juncture, presenting strategies to navigate market uncertainties. Diversification and stop-loss orders emerge as essential tools, safeguarding against substantial losses. By integrating these into your investment approach, you're not just making investments, you're making wise investments. This segment empowers you with strategies for smart investing, highlighting the significance of cautious and informed investment practices in achieving long-term goals. In long-term versus short-term investing, we compare strategies to align with personal investment goals. Long-term investing offers growth potential and resilience against market volatility, while short-term investing capitalizes on market fluctuations for quicker returns. The choice between them depends on your financial objectives, risk tolerance, and investment management time. Knowledge becomes your guide as you navigate these paths, shedding light on the strategies that best suit your journey to financial prosperity. Concluding our series, we reflect on the journey through the stock market's vast landscape. each segment built upon the last, creating a comprehensive guide for the beginner investor. You're now equipped with essential knowledge and strategies to embark confidently on your investment journey.
Thank you for viewing this video, and we hope you enjoyed this. Do give us some support by liking and sharing this video. Stay tuned for future updates. Happy microlearning! Thank you for viewing this video, and we hope you enjoyed this. Do give us some support by liking and sharing this video. Stay tuned for future updates. Happy microlearning!